Hey, welcome back, everybody. My name is Sam from Taiwan Restaurant here in Anniston, Alabama. Appreciate everybody joining in. Hope you like all the video that we've been doing. Today we're gonna stick the theme of a vegetarian. We're gonna do vermicelli noodle pad thai today. Okay, Woon Sen pad thai with vermicelli noodle actually. All right, we're gonna start off tofu. We're gonna do tofu, okay? Let me start off this video. This tofu. Heat up the wok a little bit. This is a dish, like everybody's looking for a dish like this where you want no carb, so vermicelli noodle is made from bean thread, okay? Make sure the wok's heat up real good first. A lot of this dish that we made here at the Taiwan, we can make a vegetarian. So for those that doesn't like to eat meat or doesn't want to eating less meat, we have it here for you. Okay. Fried up tofu real good. Alright, I'm gonna drain the oil just a little bit. We don't have it real crispy, okay? I'm gonna do my vegetable. We got green onions, carrots, okay, and eggs. Normally pad thai come with eggs. We don't put eggs in there. So we're doing a vegetarian. Okay. Bean thread noodle, vermicelli. Fish sauce. Like I always say, pad thai, never Thai food without fish sauce. And that's Thai food. Okay. Got a little house sauce. Consists of garlic, ginger, and a bunch of other. And we got tamarind sauce. And you can spice it up if you like. And here we go. Here we are, pad thai with using vermicelli noodles.